Hi, welcome back to another episode of Formula One with Knacles. Hi, my name is Knacles. Good to see you again. Thank you. Today was another championship in the US. In the US, George Russell won for the final race of the driver championship. Then, Lewis Hamilton was number 2 for the drivers championship. Then, Charles Leclerc was the number 3 championship of the Formula One. Max Verstappen is the winner of the final championship. Max Verstappen is in the front of someone. If someone passes Max Verstappen, the person will tell him, "Don't pass Max Verstappen." Then he'll say no, because Max Verstappen was the winner of Formula One. Then he said, "No, I am not gonna let Max Verstappen win. I'm gonna win for myself." Then after he wins, then Max Verstappen lose. Max Verstappen is normal. If they hit the Max Verstappen, everyone wins. Max Verstappen will be number 2 and A0 in 12 forever and ever. There are more than 300,000 people watching the race. In night it was cold, and they were watching it in night. In the Formula One cars, it was Ferrari, Mercedes-Benz, Red Bull, and McLaren, and so many other cars. Thank you for watching our Formula One show. Hi, my name is Knacles. Good to see you again. I'll see you next Sunday, and drive nicely and safely so you can't crash. Thank you.